It's got a smoke ring. Yeah. Hey everybody, welcome back for another exciting adventure in grilling well in the pit balls. Today, we're going to do some beer brats. Yes, that's right, beer brats. Chicken thighs and asparagus on the grill. And got a little bonus for you. About 3 pieces of chicken tenders that my stepson likes. He did it his own seasoning, his own way. So here we go. Let's get started. What I like to do here is I like to go ahead and just wash. I wash all my meat, especially my chicken. I wash everything, rinse it off and everything. So I like to, get blood or whatever's on there, anything. So here we go. We're washing the meat. We're going to trim it up too. Trim all that chicken fat off of it. Yeah, there. Trim it up. Make it look good. Nobody likes to eat a lot of fat. I don't like a lot of chicken fat on mine. So I just trim it up, make it look good. Presentable. I also like to use this. This is one of my favorites to put on my chicken. I like to use that Tony Chachere's Original Creole. And also this Grill Mates barbecue seasoning. I'm going to try both of them together. We'll show you how I'm going to do it. So I just take my chicken, a thigh. I peel the skin back. I'll keep the skin on mine. I'm going to put it on the bottom real good. Yeah, there you go. Hit it. There you go. Hit it. Put it on there. I put it on the bottom. I put it on the top also. I fold it over. We'll put this McCormick's barbecue seasoning on it. There you go. Kind of rub it in. Put a little rub on there. Make it look good. Rub it in a little bit. It didn't matter if we get them mixed up. It's just seasoning. They're good seasonings. It's going to work pretty good. I've used that Tony's before a lot of times. There you go. We'll do them all. So I melted some butter for the asparagus, brushed it on there, and also put garlic powder on there. And there we go. We're going to do some baked potatoes. Put those in the oven. All right, let's see how many wood pellets we got in here. I think it was getting low. Yep, it's getting pretty low. I'll go ahead and add a bunch. There, won't even make it. Maybe. I'll add some more in there. Here's our pellets. We're going with the Expert Grill. This is the only one I have left. Hickory and oak blend. Grilling and smoking pellets. It's pretty good. They're pretty good pellets. They're really good. They smell good. You can smell all the aromas coming off of it. The taste is very good on the foods. So yeah, I like it. Expert Grill's they're cheaper than the other ones, but it's fine. It works just as good as everybody else. I don't care what anybody says. I'm not saying this is the best, but it works really good. So for all you people out there who want to comment, oh yeah, Pit Boss or whatever brand, yeah, Pit Boss brand is very good. Or Kingsford even has it out there, but yeah, they're good. Doesn't matter what you use, just use it. Yeah, that'll work. Look at that jugger smoking, boy. Look at that smoke. Look at that. So it looked like Puff the Magic Dragon just now. I didn't get here in time to turn the camera on. Saw that sucker smoking out everywhere. I was like, good God Almighty, look at that. But it's gonna be some goodies tonight. Let me show you this spread here. Look at here. I got our chicken thighs. Got my stepson. He likes the chicken strips. He did his own seasoning. I don't know what that is. I have no idea how he does it. Let him do it. And guess what? Got the beer brats again. Yeah, you seen those beer brats on the previous video that I did on the griddle, the Aldi's griddle that I did. So yeah, I got some more. I love them. Plus I have to work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I work a full-time job, and so I have to work. I've been off for 2 days, and so yeah, it's gonna be my lunch. couple days. So now here we're gonna go ahead and load them up. Get this open. Put my other rack on. I gotta have that other rack. Plus we're gonna do asparagus too. So put this in the back. It's easier to get it with my hands. Took a while. I'm not going to put that chicken tenders on yet. They don't take long at all, so we're going to wait on that. Plus, we're going to go get that asparagus. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this asparagus on. It'll take a while. It's better to do it with your hands. Ah, that's hot. Yeah, that's hot. Yeah. California, dude. Alright, let's go ahead and put this chicken on too right here. He's hungry. Put it on. I didn't know if I had enough room for everything. I got plenty of room. This little old grill right here in the middle. Right here. This little old grill here now. You can put some stuff on there. It's hot. Yikes! There we go. Alright, let's take a look at these. Let's see what's going on with this. Oh, we got it at 360 degrees. Oh, yeah. It's coming on pretty good. Chicken tenders, flip them. Check out these thighs. Oh, they're coming right along. Look at that. It's coming. It's trying. There yet. Check the ones in the back. Man, this thing's pretty good. Coming along. Come on. Oh yeah. Move it around a little bit. Check out this bratwurst. Is it over here? Oh yeah, look at that. Just flip them over. You see it? And this asparagus ain't even ready. Ain't even try it. Yeah, coming right along. Alright, it's time for a sneak peek. So what we got? Yeah. Looking good, the neighborhood. Looking good, my neighborhood, I know that. Probably done. Flip these over. He's flipping over. Oh yeah, look at that. This looks really good. Juicy. Loves juicy meat. There we go. We'll go ahead and pull this asparagus. It's done. Let's pull it. Drop one. There. Delicious. Alright, it's time. Let's check this out. Let's see what we got here. Oh my god. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh exploding. Here, when they get hot, they make a little whistle sound. Check this chicken. That's good. Let's see this one. Let's try this one. All right, everything's ready. It is done. The chicken is done. I checked it. No blood. All white. Look at that. I'm going to do a taste test here in just a second. All right, let's do a taste test. I'll take this one. Take this one. With the brats. I'm just going to taste it out here because we're going to go in and eat. Whoa, look at there. We're going to go inside and eat as a family, but I'm going to taste test it real quick, show you what it's like. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Look at that. Oh yeah, look there. Looks good. The steam come off that. We'll try it real quick. All right, there's that chicken. See it? Ooh, look at that. Looks good. You see it? Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Man, that's good. Man, I love that Tony Chachere's on top of that chicken. Right there. Put it on top. Then I put that skin folded over. Put a little barbecue seasoning on there. Man, I think it tastes amazing. I think it's good. That's really good. I recommend it. If you have a special sauce or dry rub that you use and you want to share it, let me know, because hey, I want to change my stuff up. I like to try different things. I don't really know a lot about the spices and stuff, or rubs, or anything, you know, marinades or anything. I don't know a lot about them. But hey, put down in the comments what you use, and I want to try it, because I may try it. I want different stuff. So there we go. We'll try this bratwurst now. All right, got the brats. I wanted to show you. Look at a smoke ring. You see that smoke ring around that brats? See it? Oh, it's got a smoke ring. But yeah, here we go. We're gonna try it out. Hot. That's good. Really good. I think it was a market side brand of beer brats. Got it at Walmart. They were on sale. They actually had a little price, you know, that little yellow sticker on there they put on there. I got it. It was on sale for like $1 off. And the chicken thighs were on sale too. I just said grab them. I'm gonna cook them up anyway. It's probably them, you know, quick sales to get it out. So I just like, oh yeah, I couldn't find no leg quarters. I've been looking for leg quarters, but they didn't have any. So I just said, oh, chicken thighs, and I saw the sale, so I got them. So, you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.